Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add days to a day in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, you can continue signing in with your Google account, your Microsoft, even using your Apple, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, adding days to a date in Smartsheet can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, when scheduling tasks or projects, adding days to a start date helps determine deadlines or completion dates, ensuring that tasks are completed on time. Adding days to a start date allows you to calculate the duration of tasks or activities, helping to allocate resources and manage time less effectively. Now, in my case, I do add days to a start date so I can establish deadlines for deliverables to my clients. And what happened is it provides a clear targets for project teams and stakeholders in my organization or activities because setting up the time or duration of the event and cleanup afterwards gives me an event planning management. All right, now for us to be able to do that, what you need to do here in the left side panel of your dashboard, just go to home and click on create new template or create new sheet. Click on that. Maybe let's rename that to how to add days in a day. Just wait for a minute because it'll load up in a few seconds, and there we have it. Now from here, for now, we're going to rename this specific column. Maybe and just this one as well. Now from here, click on the specific column and right click on it and click on the edit column properties. Right now, once you are here, make sure the column type, click on the date. All right, just leave it for now and click on OK. Now once you've done that, let's go to the each row. Maybe let's put some date here. I'm gonna use for now something like maybe May. Okay, that's gonna be a May 5th. Now, say for example, if you wanted to add a specific days here in the in this specific row, we need to use a simple formula. Now, if you're still following, just put in equals and click on the row. Okay, you don't have to press anything. All you have to do, again, let me do that again for you guys. Now it's been selecting. All right, let's do that again. Put an equal. Just hover your mouse to this specific row, click on it, and that's that. Now, all you have to do is put a plus symbol or icon and we'll put in the days that you wanted. It could be 5 days from now, it could be 10, it can be 20, it could be 100. It's up to you, but for now let's use for the 20 and press enter. Now, as you can see, when they put a specific date, the date to add changes, and all you have to do is just put the same formula when you add more information here. Say for example, we'd put another date here, maybe 12, and automatically this would change if you put the correct formula in the specific row. Now remember, when organizing events or activities, adding days here helps plan logistics such as setting up time, duration of the event, and a lot more because it enables you to perform time-based calculations such as determining payment due dates, scheduling follow-up actions, or calculating warranty expiration dates depending on your business. And I believe it is a good decision making, providing clarity, efficiency, and accuracy on your workflow. So if I were you, add days to a date here in Smartsheet so that whenever you make some changes, it automatically adjusts the changes to the start date or duration, ensuring that schedules remain accurate and up to date. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.